Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel GK Tech Insight. I am Gyan. Today we will learn some unknown Excel tricks. In case if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest content. Let's get started. First one, this is one table which has month and sales. Now let's say I want to calculate a running total. How can I do that? Select the entire column and there you will see one small icon here. Click on this and then go to the total one. Scroll on the right side, you will see a running total column. Click on this, it will give you a running total column. So basically it does a sum of the previous rows here. So this and this will be sum of this one. Similarly, this and this will be a sum of this one and so on. So this is how a running total gets calculated. Now there's other way also to do a calculate a running total here. And this would be, I'm sure, most of them might not be aware about this. So what you can do is type equal scan, then enter value as 0 here, comma, then select your array, comma, then write lambda, bracket open. Now I can give any variable name here, a, or I can give x also, then b, the value where you want to calculate, right? So a comma b, then you want to do what, sum, right? So you will do a plus b here, round bracket close, and close the bracket for scan function, press enter. So it does the same thing here. So the way you have clicked for running total, you can do it by scan function also here. How cool is that feature? Next one. So let's say you have this column value, you copied some content here from different sheets and all, and there is a mix of value where it has text and numeric values also. Now you want to copy this numeric value and paste it somewhere in your sheet, right? So one way to do is you select this, holding your control key and then selecting like this, and then you're doing copy paste, right? So other way to do is press F5, a dialog box will be open up, click on special, then go to constant, then uncheck this text errors, and then let this number be selected here, then click on OK. So what it will does is it will highlight all the numeric values in that particular column. Then you just do control C, and then wherever you want to paste it, let's say if I want to paste it here, I will go ahead and do this control V here. So what it does is it's identify all the numeric values within that column, and then you can copy that and you can paste it somewhere wherever you want it, right? So this is how you can extract or you can copy the value, numeric value, from the whole column or from that text. Next one, custom list. Let's say this is my one list, I want to create a custom list. My maybe this list would be used across different sheets and all, or different files, right? So I don't want to repeat that process and typing this product every time. So what I can do is I can go to the file, I can go to the options, go to the click on the advanced, scroll down here, you will see under general section there is an option here, create list for use in sorts and fill sequences. Click on this edit custom list. Now what you can do is the list which you want to pre-populate this every time. So what you can do, click on this one and then select this list and click on import and click OK. Now when you see this, when you start typing Cadbury and then place your cursor here and then drag and drop, you will see the entire list is getting populated here. Why so? Because we have created that custom list and it is getting pre-filled from that particular list. Similarly, if you think about it, right, how the month and everything gets calculated or it shows up over here, it is because it's already a custom list is predefined in the Excel. Next one. Now this is your header. Now you want to give some styling here. You want to you know tilt, or you want to give some angle to your header here. So how you can do that? Let's click select this entire cell here, and then go to this section here, home tab, and then you will see an orientation here. So when you click on this, you will have multiple options here. You can give it angle counterclockwise, so it will give like this here. So let's give some like this. And then if you want to tilt it something like this, angle clockwise, it will give you like this. And there are multiple options. You can give it a text like this, or you can uh, up like this. So there is the orientation function which you can use it to give a styling to your column headers and all. Next one. So this is my table. Now I want to just pick only 4 records or 5 records out of this, right? So there is one function here, type equal, type take, select an array, then mention how many values you want to pick it up, right? So I can select 4 and then press enter. So what it does is it selects the first 4 numbers here. Similarly, if I want more list here, I can go ahead and increase this number to, let's say, 8, and it will give me the top 8 list here. Next one. Now this is my full name list here. In this you will see there are some spaces here in the beginning. There are some spaces in the middle like this. There are multiple spaces in between, and there are some spaces at the end also here. So now if I want to remove the spaces and make it pretty, how can I do that? Just type equal trim, write a trim function, then select this text, round bracket close, press enter. Now let's drag and drop it here. Just scroll it. You will see all the spaces has been removed from the beginning, from the end, and from the middle wherever there is an extra space here. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us in today's session. We value your feedback, so please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Your continued support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.